Experience the perfect blend of convenience and flavor with the new Keurig K-Slim single-serve coffee maker. Designed to fit effortlessly into your compact space, this sleek and slim brewer brings you the performance and simplicity that Keurig is renowned for. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a world of delicious possibilities. Measuring at just 5 inches wide, the K-Slim single-serve coffee maker is the ideal choice for those who value space-saving solutions without compromising on taste. Its compact design ensures that it can seamlessly fit into any kitchen, dorm room, office, or even your RV, making it a versatile brewing companion. With a 46 Oz removable water reservoir, the K-Slim gives you the freedom to brew up to 48 Oz cups before needing to refill. No more constant water replenishment or interruptions in your coffee routine. Simply fill the reservoir, and you're ready to brew multiple cups of your favorite beverage. At the push of a button, the K-Slim delivers fast and fresh brewed coffee in 3-cup sizes, 8, 10, or 12 Oz. Whether you need a quick pick-me-up or a leisurely indulgence, the choice is yours. And with hundreds of flavorful K-Cup pod varieties available, you can explore a wide range of coffee, tea, cocoa, and more, ensuring there's always something to suit your taste buds. The K-Slim is designed with your convenience in mind. Its Multistream technology extracts maximum flavor and aroma from every brew, ensuring a rich and satisfying cup of coffee each time. The removable drip tray allows you to accommodate travel mugs up to 7 inches tall, so you can take your favorite brew on the go. And when it's time to clean up, the drip tray holds a full accidental brew, making cleanup a breeze. Energy efficiency is a top priority with the K-Slim. The auto-off feature automatically turns off the coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping you save energy and reducing your carbon footprint. It's a small step towards a greener future without compromising on taste or convenience. For those who prefer to brew their own ground coffee, the K-Slim is compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Coffee Filter. Customize your brew and enjoy the perfect cup tailored to your personal preferences. The possibilities are endless. With dimensions of 12.14 inches high by 4.76 inches wide by 15.2 inches deep, the K-Slim is designed to be sleek and space-saving. Its lightweight construction of 6.22 pounds makes it easy to move around and position in your desired location. The 29 inches cord length provides flexibility in placing the coffee maker wherever it's most convenient for you. Operating at a voltage of 120 volts, the K-Slim is designed to deliver optimal performance every time. Say goodbye to sacrificing countertop space for great taste. With the Keurig K-Slim single-serve coffee maker, you can enjoy ease, versatility, and superb flavor, all in a compact and stylish package. Start your day off right with a delicious cup of coffee, and let the K-Slim redefine your brewing experience.